we are going to make one very popular code of Java programming, which is prime number. What we generally do is, there are many ways to create a prime number code. So right now, I am just using one simple code where declaring the variable, a loop variable I, and counter variable 0 at the very first place. Int is already written, so I'll be writing I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. The value of n can be entered by the user using scanner, or right now I am just initializing it here, say n as 7. So after initializing the value, let me put a condition, say if a number says 7, modulus I double equal to 0 means trying to check the remainder. If it is finding the factor, say 7 divided by 1, 7 divided by 2, 7 divided by 3, finding the factor, then it will increase the counter. Outside the loop, if the counter is 2, there are various ways. At many of the places we write counter is 0 at the time when we change the loop style. So I'll write yes. It is a prime number. For the case of otherwise, else system.out.println. No, it is not a prime number. So let me run the code. Right now, 7 is prime. So it will display me yes. And if I make it 27, this will display me no. Now I am converting the code into range. Say at this place for int x is equal to lower limit, x less than equal to upper limit, x plus plus. First and foremost, lower limit, say 10, semicolon, upper limit, say 100. So in between 10 and 100, let me have a new value of n. Instead of initializing n here, just declare the value of n there and let n is equal to x. That is the first loop variable. This will also be here, and the value of c also we will initialize at this place, because at every change of the value of x, the c should restart its value from whatever number initialized to 0, so that you can actually change the counter and can recheck the counter as many times as possible. Because what we are trying to do over here is, the counter is supposed to get itself restart at every change in the value of x. So let me set the conditions also. So in case the value is 2, in the case of range, generally we don't put else. If c is equal to 2, then yes, I should write yes, the number is n. Give a space, write is prime. Let me set the brackets. This bracket needed to be closed here. So now the X loop is closed, the main is closed, and the class is closed. So if my loop goes from say 10 to 25, so the prime numbers available in between 10 to 25 are these many. So this is the list of prime numbers. So what new over here is this part where I am actually making use of an extra loop which will execute from 10 to 25. You can always use another variable global counter to check how many prime numbers are there in between these two numbers, that we will see in some other video. Thank you.